Leave it alone.
Hmm?
Leave it alone.
And then just
Do its thing.
mm-hmm. Well, I gonna need a bigger pot than you.
Something about over here. Something about over here. Cause it's really doing this thing on this side.
Mm-hmm. Well, we all discover that when you like it under the carpool. Under the
Mm-hmm.
carpool. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Pot you're going for right now is getting bigger.
You was trying to get your mama some? That's why you was splitting it? Mm-hmm.
Leave it alone. I gotta ask her how to do it. She do. She not good. In the meantime, I let them go in there. Nah, I want to get it straight up. Straight like this.
Mm-hmm.
That's straight up.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.